Back on December 15th, I posted on my X that I believe NVIDIA will be trading at $225 by the end of Q1 2026, and that I was very bullish and I was looking to buy some call options. You'll see here that the very next day on December 16th, there was an unusual whale alert. There was a big buyer who was coming into the options market, buying up calls with an expiration of 1/15/2027 and a strike price of $160. This is a very bullish sign. And then the next day on the 17th, we saw even more call options coming through, this time for 6/18/2026. Well, since that ended up happening, the stock has now broken out over 8.5%. And the position that I currently have on NVIDIA is up massively. And in this video, I want to share with you why we were bullish in the first place, and more importantly, where I think NVIDIA is headed in the short term, and specifically what I plan to do with my call option. My name is Peter DiCarlo. I've been a full-time quantitative trader for the past 11 years. That very simply means that I use data in order to make all of my trading and investing decisions. 90% of traders lose money, but 85% of them do not have a plan or a strategy. And my goal with these videos is to share my system and strategy with you for free. Now, the first thing that we're going to look at is what I start all of my analysis with, no matter what the stock or asset is, and that is the monthly time frame. Very simply, what I am looking for is the BX trender, which is the indicator at the bottom of your screen, to be showing an increase, so switching from dark red to light red, or showing green. This is a very strong indication that we are in a bullish cycle. And you are going to see here that if we were to trade just based off of this one rule, we would beat the market and most hedge funds. Now, there's a huge difference between a simple strategy and then actually having the discipline and the patience to stick to that strategy long term. And that is where most people actually miss out. They believe that it cannot be that simple, and normally they become their own downfall. Now, see, if we would have followed this strategy on NVIDIA for the past 25 years, we would have made a 126,000% return with a 67% win rate and a 9-to-1 risk versus reward. You will see as well that the average length of our trade would be 11.2 months, and the average breakout would be a 147% profit. This is why we were bullish on NVIDIA to begin with, because you'll see that our criteria was met back in June of 2025. And as we said before, we know that the average breakout lasts about 12 months, and we are only 5 to 6 months into this current rally. So if we were to future project this out to July of 2026, that is how long this bullish market should last. We also know that the average breakout is about 130 to 140%. That is why I have a 2026 July target of about $300 to $325. So we know that the macro or bigger time frame is very bullish, and this is the first thing that we look at. Now, the second thing is the fact that we were trading well below what our current expectations are showing. If you look at this purple line that we have here, this is called the Price Behavior Explorer. It's going to take all of that data for this simple trading strategy and show us what the past has done in a future projected line. So by now, it was expecting price to be trading at the end of December at about $192. Well, at the beginning of this month, we were trading at $173, which means we were undervalued relative to where we should be. This is normally a very good sign to be a buyer because you're buying into a bull cycle, and best part, you're actually getting a good price. Now, the other part to this puzzle was the fact that we had a ton of unusual call options hitting the options market, and we posted this and talked about this previously. We posted about the ones that came through on December 19th, and we even talked about the ones that came in on December 16th. If we go to our THT student portal, which all of our Discord community members get access to, we can come to the search function and we can look up NVIDIA itself. You will see that these are the two call options that we just spoke about, December 16th and December 17th. You will see the strike prices here of $160 and $158 with expirations of 6/18/2026 and 1/15/2027. Now, if you want to learn how to actually spot this unusual options activity and how you can trade it, we have a free course in our course library. down in the description. The course library has 10 courses teaching you the entire strategy from start to finish, and the options flow mastery guide is going to be step 4. And if you're interested in the BX, which is what we just covered, that will be free in step 1. We have a full suite of new free courses coming in 2026. So make sure you save your spots for these ones because they will be going away. And once they're gone, you will not be able to get them again. So now with all of our criteria met, where am I expecting NVIDIA to go within the next couple of months? Well, short term, I would expect a move at least back up to $200. If we look out till February and March, which we spoke about earlier, my target is still from that original post, $200 to really $225. I think that very easily we can hit that price point by the end of February, worst case, the end of March. Now, if we actually zoom in on a weekly time frame, you are going to see that price bounced right off of that market bias. And you will see that as of right now, the weekly BX trender is also increasing. Now, the monthly is predominantly what I use to trade, but the fact that the weekly is now showing the same bullish signals as the monthly chart gives us a very strong indication that we should see the continued breakout. And if we follow our normal market structure, that means that 220 by the end of January to mid-February would also line up on that time frame. So I'm still in my call options. I am planning to continue to hold. And I think that from this point now, we still have another 20% move to the upside.